He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
Hey guys, hey, what's going on? Welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Hey, today we're doing just a short video. We got up on the griddle today after work and we did some shrimp fajitas, okay? And we also did a little pork chop fajita where we sliced up our pork chop and we cooked it out there on the griddle. So hey, check out this little short video. We'll tell you what ingredients we use. We'll show you how we cooked our food and let you know how it turned out. So hey, don't go nowhere. All right, the first thing we're going to do is put down a layer of peanut oil so we can get our vegetables started. Once the vegetables are halfway cooked through, we move them over to the right side of the griddle and we lay down a little bit more peanut oil for the pork. Once the chopped up pork is done, we move that to the right side of the griddle also to stay warm. We turn over our pork chops and let them finish on the second side. These will be eaten for lunch throughout the week. We put down another layer of peanut oil so we can fry our shrimp. The shrimp, or any seafood for that matter, doesn't take long to cook when placed on a hot surface. We're tossing all the shrimp around to make sure that every piece of shrimp gets an opportunity to get seared on the griddle surface. Before we warm our flour tortillas, I wanted to clean the griddle surface with any residue from the shrimp and from the pork. So we poured a little water on the hot surface and scraped it down and wiped it with a paper towel. Here you have it. Shrimp, pork, sauteed fajita vegetables. It doesn't get any better than this. And now for the taste test. The pork was moist, juicy, and tender. The shrimp were tender and full of flavor. Another outstanding cook on the Blackstone Griddle. Well, guys, that's it. That was just a quick cook right after work, man. The shrimp and the pork chops, and like I said, we cooked some extra pork chops for lunch this week at work. So hey, thanks for stopping by and checking out our video today. Like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. And if it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, be on the lookout for our new series coming up soon. It's all about the man cave. Hey, and as always, we'll see you guys around the smoker.